Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwancho murigereri na ukwanire kuranda onsi asure asomo baso obono ritukerigali akane mutiyenyino yekomio mwaka bwechilifu 2025 kwegokire nemero birionsi kurwaga kiete meya Ensoko TV oboroso bwo mugusina ndene chinga kichinde chingi yakingo kwarigani asomo baso bono erio bwe manyama ya senchira yobwenge eritariane Ishmael Mogere boigara boko bwati gwetera senchira yo mutandao bwekerero Facebook rabaga sense meriende ya YouTube Ensoko TV. Asomo chakano ebikore by'abana bake byogoeswa nani asobosari nigo byagikeriwe magega y'abana babere be grade ya kianda abo bakagere gusagana enka eyemo y'omurandi meyensemo yetu ne bunge yabo machoge barabo bare nemyoro na gukagero kuiba ebinte binge buna bakororekana asichibicha cha CCTV egento kyereire usikeirira oyomo kubekwa byara
ono nabo nanyorete umuchando bugukumya gekoro gyakorete bona kyokumya aba muraba gochicha abana abaibi bagocha bona nemiyoro botuko chinsa isano na ibere chabo tuko na batsoeta bone bali nebiyoge byokogosereria bakanyara ko bakubuna gioski kiane bagasoimi bakaibe ebinto bono nchegongo chikotabuka nkanyora ngakire gento bairire na abana abakeke gori eke buna bono yo bwato ni gari grade 9 agosoma grade 9 skuru ya Kiru oyino umwana moke sana abuna ubako ngichana nemyoro konsambuli abone kongibere binto byane askari ba Kenya nabo bajetega iga bagakora obutuki bwabo buya nande gwikera rero iga igo bachicha banyora bakora abo oyo mona ikakubwatwa nebinte bike byanyorwa ebinda kanya bayikira konia lende no arase getu gya polisi ya Kenya ebinto bayibete ko rubone ga igekero byare nari ko byakesabu nabo bire offer 50,000 nabo bire gwetania chiriwe 50 ese bintu bayibete ko rubone gaiga mpaka chisimi mbaru seti chempesa mpaka rusina bintu byoko ni munamasi amabuta esukali amachere amabere ebintu nebinge bayirete including chisimi nkeringa abana baino baligiriri sana nonyene kero go chikorara magoroba kara kikisha ngo mwana gonale nyomba nonyene kero mwaralire karaboka no nyembu tukoche kyore ngo mwana ubonari nyumba ikyara abantu baje gusambuli abona tali bantu banene yolinda abayibulire nda abana bayino nande boka butuko manyango mwana ubonara ile nyumba guseta iyo kwamanya kwa mubwateri yange kwamanya nga yaberete
gotigana nayo mu waziri w'uburendi bw'ime yense Kipchumba Murkomen nigo asentunda yende aereire amaunchirelyo ayuane kiwa sense meria yoko enekia keromo Kenya na bwateke bande asatebire amatuko areroiga konyora ekebande nigo ekwiregeka ekienge asiboiga aruru kuboria onde utarachire kebande kiae nerebya auye eryo komo konya useri guchiko kokonya mono asokweri kebuna omwaki kura asobochoryo bonene bwo mwaka w'echilifu 2025 na ibere.
I am pleased to note that we have Kenyans now, as a result of application of latest technology. Kenyans can get their IDs in a matter of minutes, and delivery to the various registration centers happens between 3 and 7 days. Using the live capture machines. This technology is extremely important for us, especially because Kenyans are really demanding to have their identity cards because of the various needs they want. They want to use their cards to register for M-Pesa for purpose of transaction, mobile money transactions. They want to use their IDs to ensure that they get necessary documentation for jobs locally and jobs abroad. The national ID also plays a critical role in the social health insurance. The national ID card plays a very important role when it comes to dealing with the elderly social protection, and so forth. And therefore, I'm happy to note that, and of course, the one many Kenyans would like to hear is that the national ID is very important for also your exercising your political rights, including the right to vote. The other thing, a significant change that happened within the last 1 year is that His Excellency the President gave us directives to remove the fees that were required for fast registration for IDs. Now, every Kenyan who registers or wants an ID for the first time is getting it for free. The removal of 300 shillings has made it possible for many to register. Even as the IEBC is carrying out mass registration of voters, this is your time to get your ID in record time. Come forward, get your ID so that you can also register to be a voter in Kenya.
Abarai kurwe nsemo ya serikali nigo bagenderere kwigerera obukoreri bwa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza mona asemero birio ya bekire eriyo koreta mu nchirerio imeyense ya Kenya ase nkwana yabo imeye bunge ya Teso North County ya Busia asomurubere bugosira ebyombe byabangina nigo bayire chinga kichiabo kwerera emirobero y'amagendero ao egati yabo obwagachi bwe bara ya Malaba Nairobi iyo batebire abakora imirimo bakireritengo ensemo ya Rironi.
And today I can tell you President William Ruto is in the process of transforming Kenya from a developing country to a developed country. And it takes hard decisions for us to do that. Hii mambo ya housing, mambo ya mabarabara zenye zilikuwa zimekwama, zote sasa zimefufuliwa.
Ni mwezi wa kuandikisha kura. Ningeomba wale wametimu, wale wamepoteza kura, sijui inaenda namna gani, lakini hii ni safari ya kuondoa ukabila Kenya. Huwezi ondoa ukabila na wachanja vile nabii amesema. Inapitia kwa njia ya kupiga kura. Serikali imefungua, ama watu ya IEBC wamefungua, nyinyi wa Teso mjiandikishe, wa Kenya mjiandikishe. Jambo la pili, mambo ya SHA iwe ni lazima kwa sababu serikali imeweka pesa ya matibabu ya bure. Msiwahi kukaa bila kujiandikisha. Mchukulie mambo haya kwa makini. Jambo la tatu, mambo ya ukabila lazima tuisime mara moja. Nyinyi wa Teso mtasima mara moja.
Tuunge Mheshimiwa Rais mkono. Tuunge Papa wa Roma mkono. Sababu hawa jamaa tuahidi ya kwamba tukimaliza kura hii barabara yetu ya Malaba kuenda Bungoma kuenda mpaka Webuye kwetu wataweka dual. Na wameweka pesa na hii barabara inaenda kuwa dual, inaenda kutengenezwa. Walituahidi ya kwamba watajenga masoko. Walituahidi ya kwamba watatengeneza mambo ya matibabu. Tutapatia 2. Lakini Mheshimiwa Papa wa Roma, sisi tumesema tukipatia Mheshimiwa Rais Ruto 2 term, hata sisi Wateso wakiwemo, Waluya wakiwemo, na Watachoni wakiwemo, tunataka pia sisi wakati hii tutembee pamoja.
Gusika mutwe abarai kurwe nsemo ekwamirire serikali nigo bagendere ko mochi oburai bw'umurai bwense William Samuel Ruto asebare no kwigena buna gwika bamuirenka omwaka w'echilifu 2025 abarai yabo Rigathi Gachagua, Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa, Justin Muturi n'abande bagokwana ensemo ya Bisile County ya Kajiado nigo bagikeire bororo ogotaka konya mashirika ya serikali.
Kube Kajiado mumeamua? Kajiado mumeamua? Kasongo ni 1 term si 1 term. Nani amesumbua Wamasai? Nani amesumbua Wamasai? Nani ameharibu masomo? Nani ameharibu matibabu? Nani aliua vijana ya Gen Z? Kasongo aende asiende?
Tunaungana zote na Wamasai. Tunasema wakati umefika jamii ya Masai waheshimiwe. Hivi tunavyozungumza pale Kibiko, wangapi anajua Kibiko, ardhi ya Masai kwa Kibiko? Hiyo tayari Ruto na timu yake wameanza kunyakua. Hata usiku wa kuamkia leo Masai wameshikwa, ati wamechoma gari sijui ya nani. Ardhi ya Masai ni lazima iheshimike. Wangapi wanasema hiyo? Tutasimama na Masai, hata wale ambao wanajaribu mambo mengine, kuuza kampuni za serikali kama vile pipeline ile ambayo inabeba mafuta kutoka Mombasa kupeleka Eldoret na hata zingine kuelekea Uganda. Hiyo ni mali ya watu wa Kenya.
Tumesema pia anajaribu kuiba kampuni zote mali ya umma, na tangu siku zake za YK92 amekuwa mwizi wa mali ya umma. Wanafikiria mali ya umma ni ya kuuma tu na kwenda nayo. Sasa wameuza refinery ya mafuta kule Mombasa, wakati huu wanauza pipeline ya mafuta yenu. Sisi tuambia Bwana Ruto, wale watadanganywa waweke pesa yao kwa hii mambo ya wizi. Tukiunda serikali tutarudishia mali ya umma wa Kenya. Sawa sawa. Title deeds za wizi hapa Umasaini cancel, turudishia wa Masai ardhi yao. Sawa sawa.
Ase ensemo yende abasaye niko baboriko ko bamaiso asamangana bakobeka ase mitandao yekerero ase ngintu chinga ki onde aragani komwa omusaye meremo niko akumuringo rigwetera emitandao yabo na mangana bakobeka aroro okuno kuboria korwa ase Catherine Karambu oyore omumanyase oyora omumanyi asobwereribwa mangana chingaki ayakwa naye me county Machakos asomurobiribwo kurwa mwegerio gucha sabasaye ase county eyo.
Ethics is something that you live day in, day out. Social media is a very interesting phenomenon that it gives us free expression. But when we are young in age, we don't realize just how far along the implications have in our career life. So one of the reasons we do this soft skills training is a key component on personal brand. Today, you're just a student. Tomorrow you will be holding a very serious office, and we remember the internet always forgets. So by them coming here and understanding the implications that they bring upon their personal brand will live to affect them, then they are able to act responsibly, and they're able to, cultivate a personality that is both ethical and integral on social media and offline. That way, even when, of course, in addition to just screening your CVs, employers will do their due diligence. They will come and do a verification check. Who are you online? Because that also affects how you relate to their clients. They need someone who is dependable to do that. So the call, even with a personal brand, is have that strong brand that resonates with truly who you are in person, how you show up on social media and every other space that you're in, so that your story as a personal brand is very resonant. That's very critical in how you package yourself overall as an ideal employee and even as you chart out your career path.
Gwikirabo mwancho murigere no tugwikira omwerio asama ya chinse chigaisano nebiri chabono mubaso gendera kubwatie mirubirio yonsi ya Soko TV boroso bwomugusi wikamogoroba Clinton Ndigi nabe yako yaretera senchire yubwikiranu enseyemo amone chinsa isato chia botuko twaro mubaso muya erietariane Ishmael Mogere.